Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use A608 to set up Bluetooth and use eSeeker app. First, we search and download the eSeeker app on the mobile app store. Long press the menu button of the controller to enter the menu. Click Kingkong. You can view the Bluetooth name of the controller. Open the eSeeker app and at the same time turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. Click Add Device. Controllers can be searched automatically. After the search is successful, click Add on your phone. Wait a moment. After the addition is successful, the controller homepage interface displays BLE. We can switch different lighting effects, light brightness, switch lights on and off, etc. The above is all about set up Bluetooth and use eSeeker app. For other operations, please refer to the manual. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.